Garage door opener won't reverse when hitting an obstacle? That's a serious safety issue you gotta fix fast. So, here's the deal. First, check those safety sensors on both sides of your garage door. They're usually near the floor and have little lights on them. Make sure they're clean and lined up perfectly. Sometimes dirt or spider webs mess with their signal, so just wipe them down gently. Next, test if the sensors work by waving something in front of one sensor. The opener should stop closing or reverse. If nothing happens, the sensors might be busted and need replacing. Also, check the wiring for any frays or loose connections. Sometimes a little tug can fix it. Don't forget to look at the garage door's track and make sure it's clear of stuff or damage because that can confuse the opener too. If your door still doesn't reverse, you might want to reset the opener by unplugging it for a minute and plugging it back in. Sometimes electronics just need a quick refresh. One of the biggest problems with garage door openers not reversing is dirty or misaligned safety sensors, which block the infrared beam and stop the door from knowing there's an obstacle. Fixing this usually just means cleaning and realigning them. Another common issue is faulty wiring or bad sensor units. Wires can get chewed up by rodents or wear out over time, so replacing the sensors or repairing wiring is key. Lastly, sometimes the opener's logic board or settings get messed up, meaning it won't react properly to obstacles. Resetting or reprogramming the opener often sorts this out. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors for stuff like garage door repairs without the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making it easier to get work and build trust in the community.